they're connected there. This. All right, here we go. Let's see. There we are. We are now connected. Stream. Welcome, welcome, everybody. It's almost 8 o'clock on Wednesday, 8:26. Getting ready to do some trading, hopefully. You missed it earlier. I took this trade right here on the rejection of this gray box right in here. And we broke out of it. We rejected into it. Oh, there is 56. It's going wild a little early tonight. That is why I didn't want to put an order up here like I had talked about doing. We're gone. We are gone. There's not much to do there. There's not much to do but sit back and say, well, there she goes. Yeah, there she goes. There's nothing. I don't even know where. Let's open up trading view up high. Let's go to a higher time frame. And let's see what we got to look forward to. What do we got for a higher time frame here? We have some highs up here at 683. Let's draw some lines. We have some highs at 683. We have some more highs up here at 745, it looks like. Yes, 747-ish. And then let's see what we got here. 745-ish. Yeah, right through there. Well, let's see. What do we have? I got some volume profile stuff that is confluent with each other, which is very interesting. I'm interested if anybody wants to come on and let's chit chat about this. But you know, I've seen a lot of volume profile stuff. They don't really ever talk about like times like this where it gets out of hand and you really can't, you don't really have nothing to go with on current day, previous day, current week. And so you kind of have to sit on your hands until you have some build out. And that's what we just had. But yet you don't know if it's going to break down or break up. So what do you do? Me, I'm sitting here looking for higher time frames on what could possibly be a target we could be going to. What could be some targets we could look at? Right now, we got 1 minute left before we go to. Oh, there it is. There is the 8 o'clock candle starting, and we really didn't go nowhere. We kind of dumping right back down into value area high of the current session. What has gold done? Gold really hasn't done anything either yet at this 8 o'clock hour. So we come back here We'll touch the 9. I think that'd be interesting to attempt to a trade off of that. A trade off of the value area high right here. And now it's moved. That's previous day. This is current developing. Oh, that dropped really hard and fast. We are in a fair value gap. Oh, do I want to take this? I really. Do we want to take this to the upside? We want to take this to the upside. Oh, look at that. That's what you call doing it right. Taking it off this developing profile, 30 ticks up, and there is another $150 trade. That was nice. Somebody just go ahead and say, "Thank you, Jesus." That was a beautiful trade. You can say what you'd like to on that one, but that was beautiful. That was beautiful. That was a wonderful trade. Now, would I do it again? Nope. You do it once, and then you're done. Now, if this 30 starts coming up, this green line right here is the 30. What are these lines? This blue line is my 9. This is my 30, my 50. And this is Mr. VWAP down here. And since it's on Tradeovate, you never know if it's actually the right VWAP. It looks like it is. So, well, now we're getting back into, we're starting to break this, we have a close. Ooh, we did not have a close below that. We did not have a close. We almost had a close. But we did not have a close below that right there. Do I get in early and go for it? That is an inverted fair value gap. Oh, man. Yeah, I want to. It's inverted fair value gap back down to the POC. Oh, look at that. It just, I don't know. We haven't had a close below, so that's one thing I'm not going to jump into. Those are nice. Those are nice to have. Yep. Those are good. There it is. There's the close. But now we missed it almost. I'll try it. Let's try. Now we're playing with house money. Not that it's going to go in our favor, but we do have an inverted. We have a close. We have a PLC down here. And I'll have to admit, if I take 3 winning trades in a row here, we're done. I won't trade this account no more. We will be done. Come on, take the elevator down. Come see this down here now. Come on. Come back into POC. Go to POC. That's where I need you to go. Come see POC. I think I'm going to take this off. Oh, I didn't get to take it off. I'll bring my stop in. Oh, come on. Stop the dancing. Just come down. You hit the 50. That's what you did. You went and touched the 50. And now you're wanting to go back up. And I didn't see you do the 50. when you did it. Come on. Come back. Come back down to where you're supposed to be. Oh, you're going to take me out. Ay, ay, ay. And went back to see the 9, didn't you? But I wasn't watching the 50. I was looking at the PLC. You're going to go anyhow. We're going for it. No. Almost. We're almost hmm. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see. Come on. Come on down. You're at the 50, I know. You're at the 50, and I don't like you like it. No. Yeah. You got some momentum to go down. You just don't want to go down. Basically got. All right. All right. Yep, that's what I get. That's what I get right there. Now look at here. We are back inside, rejecting off of that. Let's go. Yep, if this loses, I'm done. Yep. This is not the way it's supposed to happen. But this is what happens sometimes when BK trades. It gets wild and crazy. I do things I shouldn't do. I'm back above the 9. That's what I'm doing. I'm breaking above the 9. But I shouldn't have done it. I should not have done that. Nope. There's some wild, crazy trading. No. Nope. 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 This is Brian not doing good. Not waiting for the trade. Let's see. We're going to reject off the 50 again. Or we're going to go see PLC. Well, well, well. Should have never got out of that trade. Should have let it stay in. And I would have had my trade. But I got out. I definitely did not do what I was supposed to do. I got in early. I jumped. And just wasn't trading properly. Let's see. 604 is the bottom of this area. Coming back down. Come on, baby. Come on. Okay, we're going to take that, give us some money here, 11 points. So 10 points. All right. We took 10 points there. This thing has a chance to go all the way back down to VWAP. Not saying it will, but that's where I'd like to see it go. Another 9 or 10 points, come back down to this level down in here. But it's at the 600, and unless it gets through that, there we go. Come on down. Come on down. We're almost back to our break even. That's amazing. Break through VWAP. Break through VWAP and stay below VWAP. No, no, no. Stay below VWAP. I'm leaving my stop up here at 10. We're gonna just bounce off VWAP and go back up. Maybe. It won't let it go no higher in this last candle. That's my out. This last candle here. We got VWAP, which I'm not too excited about. Not too excited about running into VWAP. You run into VWAP, VWAP will hurt you. It's a nice bounce point, but let's see if we can stay heavy. I don't have no news on. All right, come on, break that. Yeah, come on, break it down. Yeah, come on, come in. Come on, let's go. Keep going. All right, here we go. We're going to turn green. Are we going to turn green? We're going to get it back to green on this. Come on. Come on, get back to green. We almost have. Whoa, what was that? What are we doing? I don't know what we were just doing. What is that we... I don't know what order filled, but some order filled. This thing's still falling down. I want to go green in this account. Come on. Nope, that's not how you go green in the account. Come on down to the... yeah, you... Oh, was it over here? I don't know what it was on. I don't know what it was on. Are we sweeping this? We did sweep this. We swept that low. No, we're going down. On 570. Where are we going? Here's the... We're almost to it. We're almost there. That's a value area low right there. It missed it. Come on, come get it. Come get it. Come on. You can do it. Change it back to green. Take the red and change it green. You only got a few dollars. Just a point or two. You're going to make me do this again, aren't you? You're going to make me do this again. Come on. Come on. Yeah, yep. Green, 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 green. Oh, I couldn't get to the exit button fast enough. It missed me twice. It's probably going to take me out. Look at that. That's almost disheartening for that to do that like that. It still didn't come down to the value area low, which I think it will, but oh, what a night. What a night. Oops, too many clicks. I clicked it too many times. That was not exactly what I was intending to do, people. Nope. But I did it. And now I'm paying the price. Let's go. Let's go get me green. Get me green. This is pure degen trading right now. Let's not. It is green, people. Come on. Degen or not degen. You got to know which way it's going. There you go. There you go. Now what? You got to play the break of this down? What we gonna do? Go fill the gap now? Uh I think we have to wait for a pullback. We have to wait for a pullback. There's a 100. That's a 200. Where's my 100? I don't have a 100 on here. I had a 100 on here. We are now at the bottom of this value area right here, this high value node on the low side. And we are trying to, well, we're going to push out of it. I don't know if we're going to push out of it or not. I think we're going to push back up to the 9. Let's try it. Push this back to the 9, huh? Try, maybe. Well, it don't look like that's what it's going to do. It probably will as soon as I get out of it, but I was going to start building some volume here. It could build volume. Who knows? It could build volume right here and go up. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on. Go to the 9. That's where you want to go. You want to go back up here. Come on, go up. All right, there we go. We got us over $100 for the night. $129. Um, that was some wild trading. Look, it's not always pretty. Sometimes you just got to be a degen. And usually when you do that, you lose accounts. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you how great of a trader I am because I'm not. I'm not the greatest of traders. I try to follow some things, try to follow what's happening in the market, try to follow the news. I try to listen to what's happening, try to learn from other people. And if you think you know it all, congratulations. I'm not going to say I do, but I'd done some crazy trading tonight. Let's look at the performance thing. We are up for the night. Look at all these trades. Wild, crazy trades. That weren't. This one was the longest trade right here. This 815. This is the one that went for a while, and also was my biggest trade too. So, yeah. So there you go. Little bits here and there. Was able to come back. Not always the case, but I did it. Look, it did go to my 9, which would have been beautiful. But I will take this $129 tonight. I think there was like 100 and what was the first night we traded this? 100 and something the night before, 130 something the night before. So let's see if we can get this to 53,000 and get a get this funded. Let's try it. Let's see. But for this account, it is going to be a lockup account because this is the account that is for stream or the night shift. And I will not be here tomorrow night. I will be at oh no, I will be here tomorrow night. I'm sorry. It's next week. Thursdays will not be nights I can stream. So I welcome you to come back tomorrow night. Let's look at this. This is a beautiful bounce out of this little box area. It's a high volume node. It came down into it. It rejected out of it. And that's what I took that last trade on. This trade right here is this box. 563 to 558. Let's draw it out. I will draw it out for you so you can see 53. Let's see. 564. 564 to right at the bottom of that. 58, 57. That's what I traded out of. That right there is what I traded out of. And that was a beautiful trade. It could still be going. We could come all the way back up to VWAP from here. We could get all the way back up into, there's VWAP. That's it. And look at it go. And here's a PLC. We could be getting back up to PLC by the time it's all said and done. But anyway, that's that. We have another high volume node right here. HVLN right in this area. Not as distinct as this down here, but it did seem to have some trouble with this. And here, look, we had to bounce off of it. But thanks for joining. Thanks for being here. And hey, come back and we'll do it all over again. This is BK and we're out.